Alright lads, welcome to a new video. This video I'm going to be starting another dropshipping store from A to Z using a couple different methods in which I haven't used before. So I'm going to give credit to Andrew Yu. He made me aware of afterlib.com and it's a new product research tool. So what you can do is you can go to the ads, right, and I'm just going to take this filter off. Those were my saved ads. Technologies, you want to click Shopify like that. Country, you obviously want to click United States, as all dropshippers dropship to the United States. Language, English of course. Call to action, you want it to be shop now. Display format, video format, since many dropshippers run video format ads. Publisher platform, I click Facebook and Instagram, and this is Andrew Yu's exact strategy in which he has shared in his video. Now another thing you can do is go up here to trending, and you can click trending. So these ads are now trending, and if you scroll down you can see a bunch of trending ads. And then what you want to do is, if you see something you like, you click this little 4 squares thing. You can open the ad, you can open the offer link, and you can save the ad to the favorite. And you can also download the video and the thumbnail. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a couple of the products that I've saved and the product that I'm going to be dropshipping in this video. So as you can see here, I have about maybe 6 products that I've saved and going through this method. So one is a cycling thing. Let me just do that. That's going to be horrible in the audio, I'm sorry. One is a cycling thing. The next one is some sort of like pain relief, but it's such a horrible ad. Anyway, next one we have here is a cooling blanket, which got my attention because I sort of suffer from this, and you know, something like this would be nice to have during the summer, as in New Zealand it gets very hot. The next one I actually saved 2 of the same product without realizing, is this beauty shaver. Next one from the last video, it's the air scope, the visual air cleaner that you can sync up to your phone and see what you're cleaning. And then this is the other shaver video in which I have saved. Now the product which I've chosen is this one, and if we go here, mydreamchill.com, we can see that they have an amazing website. Like, this website is next level. On the phone it would be absolutely amazing. It's just on the computer it's a little bit like that. So next we're going to go over to, we're just going to click on it and we're just going to have a look. Sale ending. So okay, well this one the homepage sucks. They could have done a better job there, but we can make a logo like that. 59 USD, blue and grey. So what I did was I used Koala Inspector, and you can click that. It's not working for some reason. There we go. Launch up Koala Inspector, because with the $1 free trial you're not allowed to track stores, which is very cheap of them, very cheap of them. So what you click on the Koala Inspector, which is a free Chrome extension. As you can see shop traffic, and you can also see retailers, and which I found the Dream Chill, and live sales. So here at Dream Chill a few seconds, prioritize your order. I'm not sure what these are from, but I've been browsing a few websites with this extension on. So I'm thinking they're making quite a few sales, and the shop traffic didn't work, although I think this product is a winning product and I can market it on TikTok. I then, like I said before, used it to find retailers, and it gave me this. I clicked on here, summer cooling blanket, $57. Another one, $57.75. And then what I did was went on to CJ Dropshipping, and there we go. I'm going to market this product as the other product because it's basically the same thing. Then we're going to click, what is it, 70 by 100 cm. We're going to do the biggest one, obviously, which would be 180 by 200 centimeters, $5, and we can market the blue and the grey one as what Dream Chill is doing. But I think I'm only going to choose the blue one, as I think it just looks better. So with that in mind, we probably cannot use some of these product images because it's sort of a different product. But the ad, if we go back to ads and then we sort by favorite, I think that this ad, what did they pull out? They use a grey one. I think we can use a grey then. We'll only do the grey. We'll do the grey and blue. That's what we're going to do. So I'm going to get started on making the whole Shopify store, We're going to use the light grey and the sky blue variant of this product, and I'm going to set everything up. But before we do that, I really want to check the shipping day time to the United States. We're looking at about 4 to 9 for 21. So what's the total product cost there? 21 to 30 US dollars. So then if we sell it for shite, let's not do that. 7 to 15. That's actually pretty good. 7 to 15 day, and the total price is $17.58, and then we could sell it for $30. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do, lads. So I'm gonna get started on making a product name, product logo, website, all that sort of stuff, and I'm gonna take you for the ride. This has been a full documented journey, so I'm documenting everything and what I'm doing in order for your benefit, and you can copy this strategy if you want. I am also debating on trying a new TikTok strategy. I am not sure if I'm going to do it yet, but I think I will because I'm mentioning it now and I really want to give it a go. So stick around for that, and I will see you in a minute. Alright guys, I've just spent a little bit on TikTok, a little bit of time on TikTok, and I've been going around finding these kinds of videos which showcase these products. So as you see, TikTok made me buy it, and you can see this person being frustrated, having multiple blankets, and then she finds this. You can have a look, what size did you get? It's the 50 blah blah blah, I have it linked to Amazon, blah blah blah. So there is quite high demand for it. This video was published in 2022, and it is currently summer in America, not in New Zealand. So I have a USA TikTok ads account, but I don't want to load up 2,000 US dollars in order for the next strategy that I'm going to do. So I might have to continue with Facebook ads for this period of time, and I will cover that TikTok ad strategy in another video, and I will use it as a case study rather than me actually going in and doing it like I have done with this blanket and the wax scope and the Serenity scalp Serenity. I don't know if the video has been released yet on that, but I think I'm going to put this one out and then put the other one out, because the other one is basically just a wax scope copy. I found the product, made it work, well, made some ads, and it was terrible. It was worse than the wax scope. But yeah, I'm going to give this one a very good go, and as you can see here, another person showcasing the product. That's what I basically wanted, just product showcases and people saying how good it was, etc. Then I went and have a look at some maybe relatable TikToks which I could use for the ads. You have a look here, when your girlfriend blah 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 blah, you know, save the hassle of her, blah, you know, just that sort of crap. Next one, I think we can all relate to this, but I'm not sure if an older audience would relate to this, so I might have to rethink on what I do, and I might have to change girlfriend to wife if I'm marketing on Facebook. Alright lads, so I've just taken a quick break and I am back. Now I'm focusing the brand name. So as you can see, I'm on ChatGPT. I just gave them a very basic prompt. You know, when you prompt ChatGPT, the quality of the prompt will give you a quality answer, and it gave me, I quite liked Arctic Dream and Chill Cloud. And I said, can you give me some iterations of Chill Cloud plus Arctic Dream? They are very good names, just letting it know that it's done well. I wanted it to mix it together sort of, but it didn't. But then I mixed it together myself. Arctic Cloud, I quite like. Even Chill Dream, I quite like, because chill, dream, like cold sleep, you know. But I think, so it's between them. So I'm going to ask it, can you choose a name? Chill Dream or Arctic Cloud, based on my target audience. Let's have a look. I would recommend the name Chill Dream. Okay. A relaxation of coolness, which will align the idea of a cooling blanket for summer. Chill Dream is a broader appeal and can resonate with both male and female customers. Well, there we go. ChatGPT has just given us a name, Chill Dream. Now I'm going to jump onto Canva and get working on a logo, and I will see you once that's all done, and I'll probably get back to you once I've started the Shopify launching process. Alright lads, it's been a couple of days and I am back with the Chill Dream Shopify store. I'm going to give you a little rundown of the online store, just see how you can have a look and see what you think about the website. So here we've got, obviously, ChatGPT made that for me. We have here the cooling blanket, some 3 testimonials, and then a couple FAQs. If we go over to the product link, which is the landing page, we also have a nice banner up top I forgot to mention. Here, blue and grey, the cooling blanket. Let's get out of that. We also have a bundle option here. Your offer ends in with vitals. I imported that. Very good product description, which ChatGPT made for me. Now on mobile, this actually looks much better. If I go over to the mobile section of my Shopify store, we can see all the stuff, and that's how it looks. We got more FAQs, and since I could not find any reviews for this product, only the testimonials, since we have a large number of views, we are unable to display reviews which our amazing customers have been leaving. This is a good trick which I just came up with on the spot, and I'm very happy with myself. But that's that. We also have, which most stores do not have, a track your order page. Like, why don't you have this on your store? It's just a little bit of HTML code. I'll put something in like that. Click track. Look what comes up. It's just a bit of code. If you're too lazy to do that, then you shouldn't be dropshipping. Next, I want to have a look at the analytics from the first day of running ads. It spent about 20 bucks. So obviously one of those visitors was just me just now. So let's keep going down. United Kingdom, 42 from the United Kingdom. In New Zealand, that's me. We're going to rule out New Zealand because that's me. Australia, Denmark. I can fucking Denmark, alright. Front page is 59. That's today. Today. I have not been on the store. Since my phone has been broken, I haven't been actually able to do anything. Sessions. Facebook, 53, man. 3 sessions were each checkout. I think 2 of them were me. And, well, I think that's all me. I'm not gonna lie. I think that's all me. We're gonna go have a look at the ads. Now, I just created this ad here. I'm gonna give it another refresh so you lot can see my ads manager. In review, perfect. Okay, this was at a $40 spend. I now took it down to $20. So I took it down to a $20 spend, so I'm spending 40 bucks a day on these 2. This is the one I copied for here. We have here 1,200 reach, 1,200 impressions, $22 spent, and look at the CPC. 34 cent CPC, New Zealand dollar cent. Let's go 0.34 NZD to USD. Let's have a... That's fucking 21 cents a click! So what I've done is I have actually... this is a 1-day click attribution, so I've changed it to 7-day click or 1-day view. So that's what we're gonna split test both of these, see which ones are better. Because I'm just playing around with Facebook ads. I've never, ever done the 1-day click attribution setting before, and that is pretty rewarding. Another mistake I had made was, as you can see, everyone was going to my homepage and not to my product page. So if I go to the ad, I'm doing a carousel ad test as well. I'm not going to go through all the ads in this video because this is a very, very, very good product. So I will give you this little bit of secret sauce. I've been trying the carousel, and that's actually been working pretty well. From the split test. Website URL. Okay, so this was chilldream.co/. I changed it now. I thought it was the display URL, but it turns out it wasn't the display URL, it was the actual URL. So they were clicking on like the URL. See, I don't know how this shit works, but we applied that to all cards. Anyway, so that's our little segment of this. I'm gonna run for another maybe 2 days because I'm very happy with this. We've only spent $22, so I'm very, very happy with 59 visitors because we're not counting 3 New Zealand. Very happy. Oh, in one day. Right, lads, this is going to be the final segment of this video, and if you have a look here, 1 website purchase. This little 2 there is about website checkouts initiated and that sort of stuff. If you can see it there what it is. So we got 1 website purchase, got a total of $107.09 spent, with a total of 255 link clicks, and the CPC is 32 cents. I killed this ad earlier today, this ad campaign, and with this campaign I have created a new ad set. And if we go into here, ads inactive, it says processing, so I might have to change this around and duplicate it and then delete it again. I'll just quickly duplicate that. Okay, that should be that one done. This has got new, if we go down here, new ads and creatives. Partially optimized, it says, beat the heat. Yeah, so, okay. Let's go to the Shopify Analytics, that's what you want to see. Today's sales is $90 US on May 28th at 3 AM. So there we go, 70 visitors, 0% returning customer rate. We had 2 reach checkout, 2 add to carts, and 1 session. Converted at a 1.43% conversion rate. So with that and the product cost was actually a little more than I expected. If we go into here, you're going to see a insight into this video recording. As you can see, I've been recording each step each way. We go into the expenses Excel spreadsheet, and we're just going to let that load up. Accidentally clicked it twice. There we go. So with a Shopify payout of 140 New Zealand dollars, our product cost ad budget is 107. I put 110 there. We've still lost $116. So the product cost was 110, so the profit from that was 30. It was a lot more than I expected, and Shopify charged me $1 for its first month. So if we can get more buys, then it'll become a highly profitable store, as this total P&L will keep ticking down until I'm making profit. So I'm going to leave the ads to run for 1 more day, and then if they don't make any sales, I am killing this entire store. Hope you lads have a good day, and you see I made a sale of $90 US, which is a lot of money. You can too.